The slope formula calculates slope between 2 points. So yesterday, we learned about taking a graph and counting, right? You started at the bottom dot, you counted up, turned the corner, counted over. Calculate slope between 2 points, right? So we start at the bottom dot, you counted up spaces, then you turned the corner and you either went positive or negative. Right? Counting. That's all it was. Well, today, you're going to have 2 ordered pairs. You're going to have -6, 0, and 4, -8. You have 2 ordered pairs. And if I look at this, I can use the skills that we learned yesterday to find the slope. I can make a graph, plot the points, and then count. But I don't have to. I can use the slope formula. To find slope from 2 points, we still need the change in y over the change in x. So how do you find how much something changed? If I wanted to know the change in y, how do I figure out how much it changed? What do you do to find change of something? If I give you $20 for $5 worth of stuff, how do you figure out how much change I get? Right? You subtract. So here's the formula. The change in y. Y minus y. But the formula specifically says you start at y sub 2, meaning the second y minus the first y, over the change in x, so I'm going to subtract x2 minus x1. The formula says we should always start with the second ordered pair. How do I know which one's the second ordered pair? It's the one that's written second. Here's the first ordered pair. Here's the second ordered pair. So here's what this would look like. Take one color that you're using, and I am going to circle Y2 in that one color. Then you're going to take the other color that you're using and circle Y1. Take the third color you're using, circle X2, go back to the second ordered pair and circle the X. And then the last one, X1 and X1. So this is our visual of where these numbers live. If you wanted, you could even write X1, comma, Y1, X2, comma, Y2. And circle where they live. Oops, that one. Some of you are visual people. You need to be able to see what number goes where in your formula. This may be easier to see on the board. It's the change in y over the change in x, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Always subtracting. Always y minus y over x minus x. Some people, this is enough. Other people need directions to follow. Some people are visual, some people need directions. So the directions are take the y coordinate from the second ordered pair. And subtract the y coordinate from the first ordered pair. Take the y coordinate from the second ordered pair and subtract the y coordinate from the first ordered pair. Same rule, except change out y for x. Take the x coordinate from the second ordered pair and subtract the y coordinate from the first ordered pair. Both things mean the same. We've got a formula and we've got it written in words. Both will result in the same answer. It just depends on which way you learn best. All right, let's do a few examples. Are you ready?
No. Yes. No. I'm ready for Hillary.
It's going to happen no matter what. So here we go. 4, -2, -1, 2. Four, -2, -1, 2. Y 2 is 2 minus y1 is -2. 2 minus -2. What's 2 minus -2? Nope. 4. -1 minus 4. What's -1 minus 4? What? -5. There's your slope.
That's pretty good.
Let's try another one. What are you confused about?
I get how you do the bottom part, what's 8 -12?
2 minus -2. Negative changes to a positive. So 2 plus 4, or 2 plus 2 is 4. -1 minus 4 is -5. Next ordered pair, -2, -2 7, negative 2. So, y2 is negative 2 minus y1 is negative 2. So I have negative 2 minus negative 2. Minus minus changes to positive. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 7 minus negative 2 changes to a positive. 7 plus 2 is 9. You can simplify that to make 0. Remember, it's okay for 0 to be on top. That's 0. But no way can 0 be on bottom. That's undefined. Simplify fractions, but no mixed numbers.